Okay, so moving on to question 3 of work for study plan, chapter 2. Question 3 says a ball is projected upward at a time of 0 seconds from a point on a roof 90 meters above the ground. The ball rises, then falls, and strikes the ground. The initial velocity of the ball is 80.5 meters per second. Consider all quantities as a positive in the upward direction. The velocity of the ball when it is 89 meters above the ground is closest to. So again, we're going to be using the same formula that we were using with the velocity equals velocity initial plus 2AS. And basically, they just want the final velocity. So that is what we're going to be solving for. Velocity initial. So our initial velocity, it says it's given as 80.5 squared plus 2 the acceleration. We don't have an acceleration, but we know that it's moving in a downward direction. Downward direction is gravity, so it's 9.8. And the displacement is so it says that we started on the roof at 90 meters above the roof, above the ground. I'm sorry. And they want to find the velocity at 89. So our final is not velocity, but our final displacement is 89 meters minus 90 meters. So when you do this calculation, 80.5 square root, you get 6 for 80.25 plus 196 the final square. So to cancel the square root, all you got to do is just find the second power. All you got to do is square. So this comes out to when you add these two, you get 6499.85. And when you get the square root of that value, you get negative 80.6. Or since we don't have 80.6, you could round it up to negative 81 meters per square. So that is our answer to the question, which corresponds to letter C.